say color, you guys, this is my first time ever wearing a color that this bright. But you know what? I'm not mad at it. I feel like it goes with my complexion because it's not like too... I don't know. I like this color blonde. I did wash it in purple shampoo to get this ashy blonde color. But I kind of like the way it looks, guys. I think it looks really classy. So let's put this wig on. Excuse my hand, you guys. I have makeup all over it. But I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. I don't know if I want to glue it on or just got to be it on. I'm comfortable, so I think I'm going to go ahead and glue this wig on. Today I'm going to use my Ghost Bun glue. Boho glue, active glue. I'm not going to talk through this because you guys see me do this a million times. And I don't want these videos just to, you know, be the same thing. So I'm just going to play some music and go ahead and glue this unit on. And we're going to get to it, you guys. But this color is pretty. Definitely when I push it back, I don't feel it. See, I like this complexion. Like, I like this type of brown. This is the type of brown that I feel comfortable with because the roots are black, but the end, I like it. I like it, and I think it's gonna be cute. But let's see. Let's see.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
Guys, so here is the finished results of this wig. It is very, 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 very nice. I kind of do not want to sell this wig. My friend keep asking me for this wig. I'm like, girl, I gotta review it. I might like it, and I don't think I'm gonna sell this wig because it is so pretty, and I just feel like this is like the perfect color of blonde that I need. It's very, very classy. With this hairstyle, I will only wear black clothes, like, period. I will only wear black clothes. But I do love the way it looks. I think it is very, very flattering. Now, this piece keep on sticking up over here on this corner. But, you know, it's really, really cute. If you want to push it back off your face. I love any hair pushed off my face. I just think it looks more classy. But if you wanted to wear it, let me see how it'll look. If I just wear it like this, this is pretty too. Yes, bob comes through, but girl, I'm that type of girl that pushes my hair back. The lace is amazing on this wig. I'm gonna leave the direct wig down below. It is really pretty. And like I said, this wig, when it came, it looked kind of like more like a golden type of brown. It had a lot of like orangey red to it. So I just let it sit in purple shampoo for literally like 2 minutes. And I took it out. And I love this like ashy type of blonde. Let me get a little close so you guys can see it a little bit more. But yeah. It's like, it's just pretty. I love it. I love the cut. I did cut the hair a little bit shorter. I wish I would have cut it even shorter. Like, I think it'll be really pretty like this length too. But I'm going to just leave it. But this is pretty. I really like the way this look on me. Let me know what you guys like about this wig. Leave some love if you like this wig in this color, because I think this is my color. I think this is the color that I've been trying to get for so long, and I like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.